Hey guys. Hey guys. So today we're gonna be playing Rec Room. What are the freaking odds? But later we're where'd he go? But later we're gonna be playing VR chat and who knows, maybe even Gorilla Tag. I'm joking. I hate that game with my every fiber in my being. If you're watching and you play Gorilla Tag, I can't say that. Never mind. Anyways, let's play. Oh, we need a. I hope so. Okay. Gaming references. Yes. Make sure there are not people who say slurs often. Uh-oh. Is it nighttime for you now? And I can make a galaxy mode. Because I bought that. Is it daytime now? Okay, how many cards do you want? 15 or 10? I'll go with 10. 20-second countdown, 5 points to win the game. Okay, we're good. I like sitting on the tire. Okay. Well, F you too, Dino. Yeah, so invite people. Okay, how do I start the game? It's down. I hope not, because that's going to be real depressing. Maybe we add an AI player. Do I want to... Well, can we at least go to the other games? Okay, there's 2 games I wanted to go to. Let me find the, I hate when you do this, man. We're gonna go to Taco Cove. That's right on my alley. We're not gonna... Oh. Are you fucking kidding me? Hi, Caillou. What is Shooting Sands? Is a recreation of Spleef? Ooh. That could be a game we play later.
I'm gonna invite Milk.
Okay. You know who Milk is. Okay, the games...
He has a little bit of humor.
The games were Bullet Master and... What was the other one? Okay. Bullet Master and... He's Kanban, by the way. Also, I'm making a video. What was the other game? Hey, Milk, yeah. Oh, okay. There's so many people joining. I feel like I know you.
More people.
Logan, stop! Oh my god.
I will eat you. Stop pressing the fucking button.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Okay, so the game I wanted to play was Bullet Masters and maybe okay, dude. Stop! Oh my god! Bruh. Stop! Genuinely!
Oh my god.
I hope you burn in hell. Okay, we can play Bullet Masters and maybe I'm on inspection. Okay. How do we start the game?
Oh my god. There's a button.
I'm going to explode.
I like you, Rat.
Why
Something
am
about you I
not in the
like.
game?
Can't wait for them to add blank to the game.
I am fine.
Fentanyl!
What?
Yeah, I said it.
I can't submit anything.
By the way, he's con-banned.
Add a roll to the game. Okay.
He said a slur 2 minutes into playing the game.
Judge Judy?
Yes, you did. Who's
Mine.
Can't wait for them to add Adderall to the game. Yay!
Oh, it wasn't mine.
No, no touch Judy, bro. No touch Judy, bro. No touch Judy, bro.
Wow, 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 wow.
That is not how the song goes.
Sucks.
What would Grandma find
Mine
disturbing
has a-
yet oddly charming?
Sex.
Go to one milk.
Bet.
Being marginalized.
Grandma.
The terrible winter of 1609. A 40-piece chicken McNugget.
Yes, sir.
Let's go.
Y'all can't even be mad at that. You can't be mad at that, Rat. It was good.
Hey, I wanted a 40-piece.
Fuck, I'm good again.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Quick shot! Quick shot! Dark Fox loves nothing more than they love. Who is banging the keyboard in their face?
Oh.
Oh, I didn't mean to pick that one.
Kill yourself. Quicker.
On God.
Dark Fox.
Yeah, because that's a bad word,
More
sir.
than they love my relationship status. Ew.
It's not correct.
Nasty.
A face full of booty. Full of a booty. No, that's my face. A face full of a booty. No way you could pick Rick Rally, right? Oh my God.
You like her.
He said, "You're a bitch." Oh wait, look, my chair can recline. Look. Step 1, blank. Step 2, blank. Step 3, profit. We're all level 50 here, except for you, Dark Fox. You're a freak.
Kill yourself.
Step 1, one tough mama. Step 2, my mom. Step 1, the terrible winter of 1609. Step 2, white privilege. Step 1, Brazil. Step 2,
Brazil.
you're not winning. Whoever put that, you're not winning. I hate Cocomelon.
Let's go.
Is that the second time you've used that card?
That was... I didn't know.
You can't keep using this.
Why am I sticky? What?
You can't keep using the terrible winter of 1809. Why am I sticky?
Second time I've used it. Oh no.
Bahoogie. Baloney. No, because he picked Rick Rally. That wasn't a good card. You're not going to win.
Actually, why am I sticky? I'll tell you why.
Wait, what?
Huh? Nothing.
Stop.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
I can scare you.
Are you muffled or you just talk like that? Uh-oh. He grew legs. Me time.
Me time. Me time.
Why am I sticky?
Why am I
Me
sticky?
time.
Me.
Hot, creamy.
Yes!
Oh, that's a good one.
Baja Blast.
That's
Yeah!
Yo,
Hot creamy semen.
that's.
I hope I don't get.
I haven't won a single point.
I hope my video doesn't
How
get
will I
taken
keep
down
my
because I'm talking about
peasants
sperm.
I'm gonna
As
send
king,
you
how will I
thing.
keep my peasants in line?
Sep.
Bob Blast.
Captain Sparkles. Yes, sir.
Mario Jumpman Mario.
200 flat mint. 42 pounds.
Crazy.
Yes, sir.
Alligator teeth.
Look at you.
Captain Sparkles.
Sparkles.
No, that's bullshit.
No, it's not. You're just bad. No, don't say that. We don't say that. I never truly understood blank until I encountered blank. Is that the rule?
I never understand sex until I encountered sex.
Type.
Nice.
That's so real. Milk, you're so real for that.
I can't find anything good, bro.
Yeah, I know. I never truly understood blank until I encountered blank. I never understood VR chat until I encountered white privilege. I never understood Judge Judy until I encountered being marginalized. I never truly understood the death penalty until I encountered getting launched into space.
That was me.
It was crazy.
Good job, Brad.
Amanda, hug and kiss.
Is that Amanda I can hug and kiss? And Amanda I can hug and kiss?
What? Crazy. I can't find anything
Who left
good.
this stain on my couch?
Sep.
What left this stand on my couch?
All of this
tell you
sucks.
what.
I'll tell you what. Hot screaming cum.
What? Okay.
Hot screaming. Hot and screaming
My
cum.
phone.
Hey guys. Today I'm gonna be eating children. So yeah.
200 that meant 2 pounds. Yes, sir.
Who's gonna win? Me?
Oh, no,
Or
Lord,
Me. We show our devotion with a humble offering of. Stop throwing your camera at me, you goon.
He's gonna throw a bomb at me.
Timmy. Let's go.
Stop acting like little Timmy.
I wanna see.
I'm old.
Oh, shh.
My girlfriend.
Oh, they're sure. Oh,
Now it's
my
mine.
girlfriend who goes to another school, alligator teeth. My soul.
Come on. Come on.
Yay!
That's so gay.
I have 4 points. Y'all suck.
me too.
Stop!
Why
What
can't you go
turned
to
What turned me into a Democrat?
You got-
I'm not a Democrat.
You're a
Oh.
demo rat, though.
I'm a Democrat. I'm a Republican.
An active grenade. Link!
Sir, that was me. Thanks.
Cyberpunk
Cyberpunk
2077.
77.
Cybertrunk.
That's so gay.
Cybertrunk.
Bow before me, for I am the queen of sex.
I'm the emperor.
No, shut
of
up.
Peter Mu-
It sucks because it works too.
Oh man, I want to pick one.
The rat, because it's the person who wins the round. Yeah! Come on.
Mario jump.
Nah!
Let's go.
That doesn't make sense.
It doesn't.
Y'all don't have good humor.
That's exactly why. I just
He
wanted to
said
tell
he
all my
thinks it should have been the
followers
Queen of
we're
Adderall that won. I just want to tell all my followers who are struggling with blank, it does get better.
Oh.
All
of them. I really want to say the word, but
Don't!
Nit.
I didn't mean to put that one.
Ink.
Poseidon, Lord of the Sea.
Middle school.
Nah.
Let's go.
Can you start jerking the two tables beside you? He's like, woo, yeah! Your persistence is admirable, my dear
But you
prince.
cannot
But you
win my
cannot
heart
win my
with
heart with
sex alone.
No! No! Sex.
200 flat men.
No, he said sex, not him.
2 pounds.
The baby alone. Baja
Blast.
Blast alone. Link
No,
alone.
bro, that'd be enough to win my heart, bro. Baja Blast.
He's just a baby.
The baby.
I just a baby.
The.
Yeah!
Wasn't even in the round.
Yeah, maybe that's what we're going for.
Yeah! Okay, I'm gonna make it to where it's a counterclockwise, and you have to get.
Give me more
Not what
cards.
I've been waiting for.
No. All of them are already on.
It's just make this all the way up. Is that it's 10 the highest?
To make it the biggest amount of cards.
I want questionable cards.
Dog, I just said they're all on.
Ah!
Rat, I just said they're all on.
Oh.
Monkey? Dang.
Sick.
I could say monkey. No, Milk, this is
I
my
am
seat.
Slightly special.
Slightly is an understatement.
Earn first one to 5 points? What? That's not what I did.
The game already started. In the newest MIA, they forgot to address.
In the newest AMA, what is an AMA?
I don't know.
Average minion size?
That's crazy.
It's like the average sheen worker.
Average milk size.
In the newest AMA, they forgot to address.
Big. They forgot to address
So we
size.
have these like 2 midgets at school, and whenever
That's a baby.
I like to do this a lot.
Oh!
PTSD.
Did I win?
Look, I hate you. You're banned from pooping.
Sex.
You're banned.
Oh!
Members of the New York social elite are paying thousands of dollars just
I
to
heard New York and I
experience
thought of 9/11.
sex.
Stop!
My cards are a lot better this time.
A nuke.
Oh my.
Battlefield amputations.
Amputations.
Drinking a whole bottle of ranch.
Oh, bottle of ranch.
Milk would do that. Terrorists.
I am a terrorist.
Terrorist.
You can't do what
I am a
like
terrorist.
New York.
you
I'm a
can't
terrorist, bro.
you can't do what like New York is common for. This is your captain speaking. Fasten your seatbelts
Fasten your seatbelts
and prepare for
for
big load of semen. Oh yeah. I'm gonna. Oh, that really got rat.
I'm gonna eat you.
Being dead. A black hole. God of War.
God of War.
100 screaming monkeys.
If Milk wins again, I'm gonna
Being
eat
dead.
all my friends.
Yay.
I'm the one who judged it.
Kind of had a feeling I'd win. You know, just a little bit.
Stop pressing that.
I will kick you from the game. Are you trying to sing the God of War song? Don't. Don't you hate how bad Rec Rooms?
Jiggle physics are. Let's go. I love jiggle physics. Milk. How does Milk already have 2? I don't know.
Because you instantly voted for terrorist. You didn't look at any of the other cards.
I wasn't the judge.
Don't you hate how bad Rec Rooms Republicans are? Don't you hate how bad Rec Rooms white privileges are? Releasing the Falcons. Which one is yours?
Ransom letter.
It's alright, bud. This app is basically Tinder, but for the baby.
Yeah, cause.
What, the baby?
What is
I think
happening?
mine was funny.
What is happening in your room, Caillou? Uh-oh, he died. Uh-oh. No, he died, look. See, if you can move... Yep, there he goes. If you can move their hand, that's how you know they did.
His internet
Answer, guys! What are y'all doing?
I did.
He says his internet went out for some reason.
Yeah, because a bioweapon just went off in the background. Did y'all hear that? It was like... And then he went... Answer, bro! Oh, Rat's about to go too, look.
Oh, you're back.
Oh.
But for feet, okay.
Yeah, he's gone.
But for police brutality, me, your dad.
Yes, sir.
Feet was definitely milk.
God
Huh?
damn it.
Was that what was the feet one yours?
Feet.
No, police
No, no.
brutality.
That's
I
a
just
that's a
feet.
surprise. Uh-oh, there goes the
Uh-oh, there it goes.
Oh,
Uh-oh,
did
there
your bio
goes
weapon
the-
go off in your room?
My game just crashed.
What?
So.
The Pope! Uh-oh, there goes the Pope.
There goes the Pope.
There goes a ransom lander. There goes the blasting my mad teacher into the sun. There goes the bio weapon.
Bio weapon?
Nice.
No.
There goes the Pope. God damn it.
The Pope.
No.
What?
You don't love me, Sam. All you
Don't
care
love me,
about
Sam.
is
All you care about is stack.
stop.
God.
This one's so real.
No, I like that.
My answer I just put is so real.
I just keep you monkey.
Drug mo-
Pretending to care.
That one guy who won't submit his dang answer. Child beauty
Child
pageants.
beauty
Okay,
Yeah,
what the
that one
fuck?
guy who doesn't-
Yes, that is so real.
Yeah, I
This is
just
gay.
You're just mad. I love 100 screaming monkeys and you don't.
For real.
Seriously, guys, there is nothing
OMG.
funny about.
Seriously, guys.
100 screaming monkeys. There's nothing funny about
Funny
100
about
screaming
sex.
monkeys.
Yes, there is. There's nothing funny about sex.
Stop!
There's nothing funny
Oh,
about
wait, that was kinda good. Why-
Quality
why-
affordable
why did I
menswear.
put famine?
Won't find that here in Rec Room.
Famine.
Famine. There's a lot of things funny about famine.
World destroying meteor.
World destroying meteor.
Yeah, I know.
Father's
Father's
forbidden
forbidden.
chocolates.
No.
Y'all aren't doing it right. You have to execute
My
it.
cards suck.
Hey Riley, I'll give you $5 if you try steaming.
You try sex, bro.
Nagasaki. If you try
What?
Nagasaki.
You can't
I
say
own a
that word.
county. It says King County.
Well,
Oh
Nagasaki.
shoot, I didn't know that.
Nagasaki.
You octopus.
Stop, you can't say that, rat.
If you try sex, fat shaming people.
Fat shaming people!
Nagasaki.
The octopus stuck
There's
to
no
my
good one.
face.
Yay!
Faggot.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Friendly fire button.
Hey,
Rage Against. Check out my band. We're called.
Hey,
Rage
check out my
Against
band. We're called Rage Against Milk.
Sex.
What is with you and sex? You're like a virgin, and you're like 3. I know you're 3 because like you've like barely like grown your balls, dude.
What? How would you know?
He talks about how big his balls are all the time.
Reddit.
And it looks like a jungle down there.
Rage
We're
Against.
what the
John
fuck?
Cena.
Rat, what the hell? Anyways, John Cena! Rage Against Tetris, Rage Against falling in love with a hot dog. Rage Against Reddit.
Yes, that was the best
Finally.
I love hot dog.
one.
My dad.
Okay, I'm
my
gonna be
dad
honest.
and
I think I'm gonna end the video there because they started saying slurs.
enjoy-
But I will make another video in a little bit. Okay, bye guys.